Hey, my YouTube friends and family.
Hey.
He's already saying hey. We got a short little video here. We're going to open up some Hot Wheels for y'all. Some old and some new. Let's get to it. Alright. My boy just wanted to say hey to y'all. Wave at him. Alright. Let's turn it around and put them on the turner. Yep. I got no. You can hold it. Alright.
Are we going to open that
First
one?
up, we're going to open up the 93 Jeep.
Then I went to one.
Oh, it's like, this is hard. Remember, the Matchbox are hard.
Is that a matchbox?
Yeah. It had a piece of plastic in it, too. Oh, my thing on. It's got like a piece of...
What does it have in it?
I don't know, it's making a sound. I don't know what's wrong with it. Oh well.
I didn't know it had a piece of plastic on it.
Alright, babe, put it on there. Check the out and there out, y'all. I'm sorry about that noise there. My turner's making a noise for some reason. I'm gonna have to fix that. Alrighty. Then we're gonna open up the 2007 Mustang.
I did it really quick.
Alright. Wait a second, baby.
Next
Next up is gonna be 65 Mustang with the hood opens up on it. One of my favorite year models right here, 65 Mustang. Alright, baby, put it on there. Put it on there.
They don't open much wider.
Oh, baby. Opens up. Come on, put it on there. Put it on there. Put it on there.
But who's going to have open?
Yeah, let it stay open.
But why?
Oh, see if you can see the motor. Alright, we got another 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback.
Has hatched it, honey.
Yeah, you got down there pretty good, baby.
Yes, I hatched it
Yeah.
from you.
Put it on there. Check that one there out. Wait a second, baby. Wait a second. Up next is going to be the 2008 Mustang.
But next we're going to open up
Check that one there out now, baby. We're going to open up this one here. We ain't opening that one up yet. That's a special one. Alright, up next is going to be 67 Shelby GT500.
But you already got this one. Come on.
That right there looks just like mine. I got an 07 Shelby. But mine is red with white racing stripes on it. Looks just like that one right there. Right there, baby. It's on there. It's on there. Up next, we're going to open up the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Are you snatching it from me?
I hatched it when you were opening it up.
Mm-hmm.
I hatched it when you were opening it up.
Okay, put it on there. Alright, now we're going to open up some Volkswagen T2 pickup trucks.
This one's a matchbox.
No, ain't no Matchbox, baby. That's Hot Wheels. Now there's the it's got hardware on the side of it.
But next
This is
day-
Hot Wheels hardware.
But,
No.
That one up.
Next, we're gonna do another one. This is a brown one. Now, don't snatch it out of my hand, baby. Now that's rude. Check that one out there, y'all.
But now I'll open it.
No, baby, we ain't opening them. That's it. This is it right here. Now, there's for another video. I'm doing something with these, okay?
But why?
Because I just am. All right, y'all. That's it for a short little video right here.
Are you gonna let me take one home?
I might let you take one home. If you like what y'all see, y'all, subscribe to our channel, please, and help us grow it. What you say?
Bye. Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace,
Bye.
y'all.